build editable WordPress website with Google Studio. So I built this WordPress website right inside Google Studio. You can edit it with Elementor, and not only that, you also have the option to simply come and then click on customize, and you can customize the whole website. So to change anything, all that you have to do is simply click on the pencil icon. You can come and then change it right here. So over here, I'm simply going to add plus to it, and after that, all that you have to do is to simply come and click on publish, and your changes will be saved. So as you can see, I've successfully changed it. Okay, so it's a fully customizable website that I built right inside Google AI Studio. And as you can see from here, Google AI Studio has confirmed that it has successfully built the WordPress builder. So when I click on full screen mode, as you can see, all that you have to do is simply browse template, and from here you can come in and select the WordPress website template that you want. By clicking on demo, you see the full WordPress website, and it is working perfectly fine. After that, all that you have to do is simply come and click on select design, and that is it. Your website will be built for you, and all that you have to do is simply come and click on visit the website, and you see you have your WordPress built website right inside Google AI Studio. So let me show you how to do it. All that you have to do is simply go to Google and come and search for Google AI Studio just like this, and hit enter. Then come and then select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. All that you have to do is simply come here to the build. Yes, you will see that you have new app here. Come and click on it. And over here, you can come and then build the WordPress builder inside Google AI Studio by giving it the prompt. So I'm going to show you where to get the prompt. I have a link in the video description. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this prompt. And all that you have to do is simply come here to the prompt one. That is connect Google AI Studio to WordPress. All that you have to do is simply come here to where it says prompt start from here. Come and put the mouse at the top, highlight it from the top to the button just like this. After that, come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. So after copying the prompt, simply come back here and come and paste it inside it just like this. After pasting in the prompt, simply come here and then come and click on the build. So when you click on it the first time, you are going to get this message. Okay, don't worry, all that you have to do is to simply come and then click on the close to close it, and then come here, okay, and then come and allow it by clicking on the allow button, and that is it. Google AI Studio is going to receive your prompts. It is going to ask you to select a preview for the design. Okay, to do that, you have all these options to select it from. Okay, so you can simply play around with it by simply selecting any of them to see the different interface that will show up. So I'm going to go with the clean one, okay, this one, okay, and all that you have to do is simply come and click on select this design, and that is it. Google AI Studio is going to go ahead and build your WordPress builder for you. So as you can see, it has successfully built it, and now all that you have to do is simply come and then look at it. Okay, so what you have to do is simply come here, come and click on the full screen. Okay, so over here you have to come and then click on connect to zip.wp. That is the WordPress builder that we are going to use to build. So if you don't have an account already, let me show you how to create an account. I have a link in the video description. Just click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the platform. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have get started and come and click on it. Okay, it's going to bring you right here, and then you can come and create an account by simply clicking on sign up with Google. You can come and then click on sign up with email, and then all that you have to do is simply come and put in your email address here, your first name, your last name. You create a strong password, and then you come and click on create account, and that is it's going to bring you right here, and all that you have to do is simply come and click on skip. Okay, that is it. Your account will be created, and over here you have the option to come down here and come and select the free type. So simply come and click on get started, and then choose the free type and come and click on close, and that is it. Okay, so from here come and click on this arrow so that the sidebar will show, and then you are given AI credit. Okay, that is 2. So simply come here to the MCP and click on it, and as you can see, we don't have any MCP yet, so we are going to connect one. Okay, so simply come here and simply come and then put the mouse on the refresh this app. Okay, and come and click on it. It's going to refresh it just like this, and come and click on connect to zip.wp, and over here you are going to see this message pop up. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come here to the permission, make sure that all this is checked. Delete side, just leave it unchecked just like this, and then simply come and click on authorize, and that is it. Google AI Studio is going to link to zipwp, and you can come and close this window and come here. As you can see, MCP handshake active. So we have successfully connected it, and you can come and click on leave full screen. After that, we need the second prompt. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go by it as well. Come back here to the prompt, scroll down and come here to where we have the second prompt, that is browse WordPress template safety. Come and put it at the beginning. Okay, highlight it from the top to the bottom just like this. Come and put the mouse on it and simply come here and come and right click on it. Okay, and come and click on copy to copy the second prompt. After that, simply come back to Google AI Studio just like this and come and paste it inside it just like this. After pasting the prompt, as you can see it, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on send prompt. Google AI Studio is then going to receive the prompt, and then as you can see, it has successfully built a safety browser for us. So we can come and click on full screen mode, and you see that we have our safety browser right here. You simply come and then click on leave full screen mode, and then we need the third and last prompt. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get it as well. And then from the prompt, simply scroll down and then come here to where you have the third prompt. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come here from where it says prompt start here, highlight it from the top to the button, okay, just like this, and then come and put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and click on copy to copy the third prompt. After copying it, simply come back to the chat and come and paste in the prompt just like this. And after pasting it just like this, all that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the send prompt and come and click on it. So that Google AI Studio is going to receive your prompt and then build the final interface for you. So as you can see, it has successfully built the last stage for us. And over here, simply come and click on full screen mode as well. And as you can see, it is disconnected, so we have to connect it again. So come and then click on connect to zipwp, and it is going to show up just like this, and then come and click on authorize, and that is it. You can come here to browse template. Okay, so when you scroll down over here, you are going to see that we have two types of templates. We have the free template. Okay, so and then we also have the premium template. So the premium template, you have to upgrade to zipwp pro to be able to use it, but we are going to use the free template. Okay, so over here, as you can see, anyone that shows free, you can come and click on the demo and you will see the full WordPress website. So if this is what you like, you can select it, or you can simply go ahead and then choose another by simply coming and then come and click on the demo. It's going to show the full website just like this, and you can go ahead and select it. Okay, so as you can see from here, we don't have any next button, so let's leave the full screen mode and let's come here and then come and tell Google AI to make sure that the browse template has a next option so that you can keep browsing it and come and click on next send prompt. Okay, so that you'll be able to use the next option. So as you can see, that successfully added the next option right inside the browse template. Let's go to the full screen, and then it is disconnected as well. We have to reconnect it again. So let's come and click on connect to zipwp, and it has successfully connected. Okay, so now let's go to the browse template, and then as you can see, we have the next option here. So I can simply come and then click on the next so that I can browse more templates. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so it is free. I can come and click on the demo, and as you can see, it is looking awesomely perfectly fine. So this is what I want to use for my WordPress website. Okay, so all that I have to do now is to simply come and click on select design. After selecting it, that is it. All that you have to do now is to simply scroll down. Okay, you are going to see that we have next, that is configure website details. Just click on it and then scroll to the top, and over here you have to come and then fill in your website details. Okay, so the first one is the business name. Come and put in your business name right here. You can look at the example, and then we have the category, put it right there. And then we also have the short business description. That is what your business is about. Just put it there. The website title, put it right there. We have the business email, pick a business email that people use to contact you as well. Anywhere we have our storage, just put it there. We have the phone number, we have the address. Make sure that you have the language also put there as well. And then the subdomain. Okay, you have to come and then select the subdomain. You can look at the example, and then the image keywords, so you can put some there. Just look at the example. When you are done, come and then click on continue to review, and all that you have to do is simply come here, okay, and then look at it. So one thing is that when you create the website, it is going to take your credits, and then you have 2 AI credits. Okay, so it's going to take 1 credit. Okay, so after that, simply scroll down, and as you can see, we are using the free version, and simply come and then and approve. Okay, so come and then check this box to understand it and approve. And after that, over here, you have to come and then type create website. So you can highlight the create website, put the mouse on it, right click and come and click on copy. And then after that, simply come here and then come and paste create website right here, just like this. Okay, so after pasting it there, you can simply come and then click on create my WordPress website, and that is it. It is going to go ahead and then build your WordPress website for you. So as you can see from the status, it is in progress. Okay, so just give it time and it is going to build. And as you can see, WordPress website is ready, and we can now access our WordPress website. So come and click on visit fronted. Okay, it's going to show up just like this. It's going to say it's a temporary site. Don't worry. Simply come and then click on continue with temporary site. Okay, I'm going to show you how to host it on a permanent web host. And as you can see, we have successfully built our WordPress website, and it is looking perfectly fine. Okay, so this is awesomely built. You see that I have all the menus right here. I have the blog here. I can come and click on it, and I have my blog post here. Let me select one for you to see. It's a fully professional website with the blog post as well. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. And then from here, when you come back to the zip.wp, you see that the MCP has been established. Okay, so we have our connected right here and it is active. You can always click on the delete to delete it as well. And as you can see from here, the AI, we have used 1 out of 2. So you can always upgrade to use more of the AI features as well. So over here, come here to where you have the sample sites and come and click on it. And this is the website that we just built. Okay, so you can always log into your admin by coming here and then come and click on the WordPress logo. So when you click on it, it's going to log you right into your WordPress, and you can come and click on visit site to see your WordPress website. And as you can see, it has successfully built it and it is looking perfectly fine. You can always edit it with Elementor. If you like using it with Elementor, it's just drag and drop. You can also come and then click on customize and then customize everything right inside WordPress. So you have all these options to edit your website. Okay, you can click on it and change anything. You can also come and then put the mouse on anything just like this and then click on the edit pencil and you'll be able to edit it. So as you can see, we have the site title here. I can come and add anything to it like plus, just like this. Okay, after just putting in anything, you can simply come here to where we have the publish and come and click on the publish, and that is it. Your edition will be published. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully edited it and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so this is actually how we have been able to build the WordPress website. You can come back here to the dashboard and click on it. And over here, as you can see from the ZipWP platform, you see that it is set to expire the website. The website is going to be deleted when the time reaches. Okay, so let me show you how to host it on a permanent web host. I have a link of this platform, the video description. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the hosting app platform, and come here to the product and come and then click on the down arrow. So over here, when you come here to the product, you're going to see that we have the hosting right here. Come and then click on it to select it. And then from the hosting, come and select the web hosting. Okay, so this is one of the platforms that you can use to host your website permanently. And then over here, you have to come and then select the length by simply clicking on the down arrow. And then the best one is the 12 months. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to be selected just like this. And over here, they are giving you a discount. Okay, so as you can see, you have 74% discount off. And all that you have to do is simply come and then click on choose plan. So after selecting it, you come here, okay, and you see that you have the man selected. They are also giving you a free domain for 1 year with the plan that you have selected. And then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the continue, and then just go ahead with the registration, make the payment, and it's going to bring you right here to your H panel just like this. Come here to the website and come and click on the website, okay, and over here come and click on all websites. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to your plan, okay. And then in front of it, you're going to see that you have add websites here. Just come and then click on it. So when you click on it over here, come and then select WordPress website. So when you click on it over here, you have to come and then claim your free domain. Okay, you just type the name here. I've already claimed it, so I'm going to select it. So I'm going to select my free domain. So this is my free domain. After selecting it, simply come in and come and click on the next. Okay, so it's going to bring you right here where you have to come and then create your strong password. So to create it, come in and put the mouse on the eye icon, click on it. It's going to show the password just like this. Highlight the whole thing and then clear everything. Okay, simply come here to where it says choose your own and come and click on it. And then over here, come and then put in your own strong password that goes with all these check marks. Don't come and then click on create website with AI, but come here then come and click on build from scratch. Okay, so when you click on it, it is going to install the WordPress website right on the selected domain. And as you can see from here, it's going to bring you right here. Just come and hide this AI option. Come here to where it says visit site and come and click on it. And we have our WordPress website installed successfully. Now, all that you have to do is simply come here to the dashboard and come and click on it. And then we have to transfer our build website right here. So go back to the zip WP, make sure that Sandbox is selected, and this is the website, right? And then come here, then come and click on the WordPress logo. It's going to bring you right here. So you can come in and click on visit site to confirm that it is the website that you have just built. Okay. And then all that you have to do is simply come here to the dashboard and then come and click on it. And over here, come here to where you have the plugins. Okay. And come and click on add plugin. So what you are going to do is that you are going to back up the site. Okay. So you can come and then add a plugin and then simply come here to where it says search plugin and then come and search for WP Vivid just like this. So when it comes, come and then make sure that you come and select the one that is having WordPress backup. Okay. And after that, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on install now. So when you click on it's going to install and come and click on activate. So it's going to be activated and it's going to open just like this. Now we are going to back up our website. So from the backup and restore, come and make sure that database plus fast is selected and then save backup to local is selected as well. Simply come and then click on the backup now, and that is it. It is going to back up your WordPress site for you. So when you scroll down, you're going to see that in front of it, we have the backups here. So this is the backup that we have just done. Okay. Simply come here to where you have the download and then come and then click on the download to download it. So over here from the download, you're going to see that we have our backup file right here. Okay. And then we have the file size. So come and click on the download. And it's going to download. So from the download, as you can see, it has successfully downloaded our zip file. You can come and then click on showing folder and you have our zip file right here that we are going to host on Hostinger. Okay, so from your Hostinger WordPress website that you have just installed, simply come here to the plugins and come and click on the plugin. Okay, add plugin. It's going to bring you right here. You can come and then add a plugin. So simply come here to search plugins and come and search for the WP Vivid just like this. And then make sure that you select the one that is having WordPress backup. Okay, so after that, simply come and then click on install now. It's going to install. After that, come and click on the activate. It's going to be activated and the WordPress will show up just like this. That is the WP Vivid will show up. So from the backups, come here to where we have the upload and then come and click on the upload. Okay. And over here, we are going to select the zip file that we just downloaded. So we just click on select file and come and click on the zip file that we just downloaded. Okay. That's our backup and then come and click on open. So it's going to show up just like this. We have the file here and then come here and come and click on upload. And that is it's going to upload your zip file. So it has successfully showed that it has completed it and then simply come and then click on the OK. Okay. So after that, when you come, you are going to see that this is the backup that you have just uploaded. And then from the restore, simply come and click on the restore option. And it's going to pop up just like this. So from the restore, come and then click on the restore and it is going to show up just like this. Simply come and click on OK and it is going to restore your backup website. I successfully done it and then come and click on OK. Okay. And as you can see over here, you have to come and then log in with your login credentials and I'm going to show you where to get them. Okay. So simply go back to zipwp. Okay. And then the website that we just built using Google Studio, you see that you have three dots here. Come and click on it. So when I click on it, all these options is going to show up just like this. All that you have to do is simply come here to where it says login credentials and come and click on it. So your login credentials is going to show up just like this. You only need your username, okay? And then you need a password. So to copy it, come and put the mouse here, come and click on copy, and then come and copy your password as well. And then come and then paste them right here and come and click on log in. So when I click on login, you are going to be asked to confirm your administrative email. And all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says this email is correct, and then simply come and then click on it. When you click on it, you'll be automatically log into your WordPress dashboard just like this. You can come and then put the mouse on visit site and click on it, and that is it. You have successfully restored your WordPress website that you built right inside Google Studio. And as you can see, our domain is also having a free SSL certificate. So you can come and click on it, and as you can see, connection is secured. Okay, so it is looking awesome, professionally built, and everything is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to build editable WordPress website right inside Google Studio. Like the video and then see you in my next video.